Hey there, this is Tom back from Alcons Audio, and we're present here at the CEDIA show, CEDIA 2023 in the Colorado Convention Center. And we're back at CEDIA. We were absent for 2 years, COVID related. We're back with a vengeance. This is sound room number 9, but we're showing also a number of new products and new product concepts. One of which is from the I-Series, a line source, a modular line source speaker system called IRL64. And the IRL64 contains basically our renowned line source technology, the line source column technology that we've mastered and been known for in the pro audio market. In applications such as Volkswagen Factory, Red Bull, state theaters in Germany, and so on and so on. And what's so special about this concept is that we wanted to introduce the line source technology into the residential market. You can see here the double 12-inch Pro Ribbon drivers. The Pro Ribbon technology is the new driver technology, transducer technology for the mid and high frequencies that we've mastered over a period of about 30 plus years and have multiple patents on. And the ideal application with a tall Pro Ribbon driver, a line source driver, is that you can create modular line source columns. In this case, the line source drivers, so the 12-inch, the 1203 drivers to be precise, are matched with 4 6.5-inch woofers in a very slim package. It's a 6-inch depth cabinet and it's modular, so you can build your own length line source systems depending on the room height, on the ceiling height, and you can create a cylindrical sound source throughout that room. So it's an extreme product in terms of proximity effect, in terms of dispersion control, and you can create a flat wavefront throughout the room. There's a lot more to say about it. It's a product soon to be introduced to the market. You can check back on the website soon enough, www.alconsaudio.com, and we hope to see you there or at the CEDIA show, sound room number 9. Thank you very much. Take care.